Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, December 17th, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way with my team and family. I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls, hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea Self Floors Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Scholars were doing an amazing job working on equations in math. Nice job, scholars. I also know that third grade scholars are doing an amazing job on their math packs. Great job. Keep up all those reading. Read, read, read. I have seen so many scholars doing some amazing reading lately also. So scholars, keep up the good work. Don't forget, tomorrow is pajama day. Pajama day. And then Monday, we start holiday break, and we'll see you back here on January 5th. Make sure you turn everything in and you get all your life work turned in. Today's a great day for learning. Have a day great. Hoot, hoot.